In today's digital age, making money online has become a popular trend. And what better way to do so than by starting a YouTube channel? With over 2 billion monthly active users, the video sharing platform has created numerous opportunities for content creators to earn passive income through their passion. But with so many channels out there, how can you make yours stand out and become a cash cow? In this video, we'll explore some of the best YouTube channel ideas that have proven to be profitable and provide tips on how you can achieve success with your own channel. Let's dive in. The internet has opened up numerous opportunities for people to make money online, and YouTube is no exception. With the right content and strategy, you can earn passive income through your YouTube channel. But it's important to remember that making money on YouTube takes time and effort. Here are some tips on how to make your YouTube channel successful. One of the most popular ways to monetize a YouTube channel is through ads. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, Google will display ads on your videos, allowing you to earn a portion of the ad revenue generated. Another way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships. Brands may reach out to YouTubers with large followings in their niche to promote their products or services in exchange for payment. You can also sell merchandise related to your channel or offer exclusive content through memberships or Patreon. It's important not to rely solely on one method of monetization as it can be unpredictable. Diversifying your income streams can provide more stability and potential earnings. Remember that while making money online may seem like an easy feat, it requires dedication and hard work just like any other job. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel and make money, it's important to have a plan in place. Researching the right topic or niche is just one step in the process. There are several other elements that go into creating a successful channel, such as producing high-quality content, understanding SEO, search engine optimization, growing your audience, and optimizing your monetization strategy. All of these components will help you create a channel that stands out and becomes a cash cow. Starting a YouTube channel can be both exciting and overwhelming. There's a lot to consider, from what kind of content you want to create to the equipment you'll need for filming. Here are some tips to help get you started. First, think about what niche or topic your channel will focus on. Consider your passions, interests, and expertise. This will help you stand out in the crowded world of YouTube. Once you've decided on your niche, it's time to start planning your content. Brainstorm ideas for videos that fit within your chosen topic. You don't have to have everything figured out right away, just start with a few ideas and build from there. Next up is creating an eye-catching title and thumbnail for each video. These two elements play a big role in whether someone clicks through to watch your content or not. Make sure you stay consistent with uploading new videos on a regular schedule. This helps build trust with viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Remember, starting a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but if done well, it can be incredibly rewarding. Choosing a niche for your YouTube channel is crucial if you want to turn it into a cash cow. Your niche should be something that you are passionate about and have knowledge in. It's also essential to choose a profitable niche that has an audience interested in the content you plan to create. To find the perfect niche, start by brainstorming topics based on your interests, hobbies, and skills. Then research those topics to see if they have an active community on YouTube. Once you've narrowed down your options, consider the competition within each niche. If there is too much competition, it may be challenging to stand out among other creators with similar content. On the other hand, if there isn't enough interest or engagement within a particular topic, it might not be worth pursuing as a long-term strategy. Once you have decided on a niche, it's time to start creating content. Before filming, make sure you have the right equipment and a solid script or outline for each video. This will help ensure your videos are of high quality and engaging for your viewers. Finally, determine how you'll monetize your channel. Consider ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, or other revenue sources to generate income from your YouTube channel. With the right strategy in place, you can turn your passion into a cash cow. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel and make money, it's important to have a plan in place. Researching the right topic or niche is just one step in the process. There are several other elements that go into creating a. Once you have a solid understanding of the basics of starting and running a successful YouTube channel, it's time to look into monetization strategies. There are several options available to you, including creating original content, selling merchandise, and charging for access. Ultimately, choosing a successful niche involves finding the sweet spot between what you're passionate about and what will attract viewers who are likely to engage with your content over time. When it comes to creating a successful YouTube channel, one of the most important elements is your title and thumbnail. These two components are what potential viewers will see first, so it's crucial that they catch their attention and entice them to click on your video. Firstly, let's talk about titles. Your title should be descriptive yet concise. You want to give an idea of what your video is about without giving everything away. Use keywords relevant to your niche and make sure the title accurately reflects the content of the video. Now on to thumbnails. A thumbnail is essentially a snapshot or preview image for your video. It should be visually appealing and eye-catching with clear imagery that represents what viewers can expect from watching the video itself. Avoid using misleading or overly clickbaity thumbnails, as this will negatively affect viewer trust in future videos. Remember, both titles and thumbnails need to work together cohesively in order to successfully attract viewership towards your channel. One of the most important factors in building a successful YouTube channel is consistency. Once you have chosen your niche and started creating content, it's crucial to maintain a regular upload schedule so that your audience knows when to expect new videos. This will help build trust with your viewers and keep them engaged. Consistency also helps with search engine optimization, SEO, as YouTube's algorithm favors channels that publish content on a consistent basis. By regularly uploading high-quality videos, you can increase your chances of appearing in search results and gaining more views. To stay consistent, it's important to plan ahead and create a schedule for yourself. This means setting aside time each week or month to film, edit, and upload new videos. You may also want to consider batch filming several videos at once so that you always have content ready to go. It can be challenging to stay motivated over time, especially if you're not seeing immediate success. However, remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Keep pushing forward and don't give up. The rewards will come with persistence. What is a cash cow? Is it some kind of mystical animal that produces money out of thin air? Well, not quite. In business terms, a cash cow refers to a product or service that generates significant profits with little to no investment needed. In the context of YouTube, having a cash cow channel means creating videos that consistently generate revenue without too much effort on your part. This can be achieved by choosing a niche that has high demand but low competition and creating content around it. Once you have established your cash cow channel, you can monetize your videos through ads or sponsorships. The key here is to create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. One thing to keep in mind is that while having a cash cow channel can provide financial stability, it's important not to rely solely on one source of income. Diversifying your revenue streams through affiliate marketing or selling merchandise related to your niche will help ensure long-term success. Building a successful cash cow YouTube channel takes time and effort but can be incredibly rewarding both financially and creatively. In today's digital age, there are countless ways to earn a living online. One of the most popular methods is through creating content on YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it's no wonder why so many people turn to this platform. By starting your own YouTube channel and choosing a niche that you're passionate about, you can create a cash cow that generates passive income for years to come. However, it takes dedication and hard work to make it happen. Remember to choose a title and thumbnail that catches people's attention, stay consistent with your uploads, and always provide quality content. And if you want to take things up a notch, consider using automation tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to help optimize your videos for search engines. There are endless possibilities when it comes to making money on YouTube, from sponsored content deals to merchandise sales, but the key is finding what works best for you and sticking with it. So go ahead and start brainstorming those cash cow ideas. Who knows where they might take you?